In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use a Dunkin' gift card on DoorDash and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, you can redeem the balance available on your Dunkin' gift card to acquire any items available on the Dunkin' menu, either through a physical location or through the Dunkin' mobile app. However, is it possible to redeem the Dunkin' gift card directly through DoorDash instead? Maybe because this would be more convenient for you, or because you are just curious and you want to answer this question. So first, if you open the latest version of the DoorDash mobile app on your Android or iOS device, you will be able to look for Dunkin' locations near you. And as you might expect, you can browse through all of the items and add them to your cart. So you can browse through donuts, the egg and cheese sandwiches that they have, and all other stuff that is available, including drinks. So add anything that you want to use or redeem the Dunkin' gift card for to your cart and proceed to checkout. During checkout is where you have the options to select an eligible payment method and finish making this order. So when you reach the payment methods, usually you will notice the standard ones. So you have credit or debit card, which doesn't help us because we want to use the Dunkin' gift card. And if you browse through all of the other options, the only time you will see gift card mentioned is associated with DoorDash. If you try to go into any sort of gift card option, you will just be told that the Dunkin' gift code that you input is invalid. So why does this happen? Is there another input field where the Dunkin' gift code can be implemented into instead, or are we limited to specific locations? What is the answer? Well, sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that redeeming your Dunkin' gift card on DoorDash is impossible. You can only finish your order during checkout with a gift card if it is a gift card from DoorDash. Basically, you cannot use your Dunkin' gift card on DoorDash. It needs to be a DoorDash gift card instead. If you want to redeem the balance on your Dunkin' gift card, you either need to go to a physical location like I said in the beginning of the video, or alternatively, download the Dunkin' mobile app and you will be able to redeem the card in there. But as it stands today, using the Dunkin' gift card on DoorDash specifically is impossible, so you have to choose from one of the other payment options to finish making your Dunkin' order. And like I said, to redeem your Dunkin' gift card, you simply have to go to another app instead. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people know that there is a difference between using a DoorDash gift card, which is completely accepted in the DoorDash mobile app, and this works for all restaurants, all fast food chains, stores, and retailers available on the app, and the Dunkin' gift card, which must be redeemed within the Dunkin' app or on a physical location for Dunkin'. If this video cleared up any of the questions that you had about how to use Dunkin' gift card on DoorDash, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.